Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few super cute top wear for the winter season that I got from Amazon. So these are not the heavy winter wear for the deep, very nighttime winter kind of thing. These pieces are for the daytime and for the places where it isn't that cold yet. So yeah, if that is something that you're interested in, today's video is going to be about that. Another thing is that my videos are going to become a lot shorter than they were before, and that's mostly because I have been getting busy with life and YouTube isn't making me as much money, or I haven't been growing in a way that I would have liked to. So yeah, I was thinking about giving up completely, but I'm not gonna. I'm still gonna be creating content for the brands that I really like, the brands that I really wear, and I'm gonna be showing you guys those pieces. But yeah, I'm not gonna be putting my heart and soul into YouTube anymore because I'm starting to get busy with my actual job. And maybe I'll quit someday, but before I quit, if I quit, I'll let you guys know that. So that's something that I just quickly wanted to mention here. Other than that, let's get into the video.
So the first one is this shacket that I got from the men's section, and I absolutely love it. The color is just so adorable. I don't have any winter wear in green, so I really wanted one, and I absolutely love this. Also, the navy blue and the green color goes so well together. It's quite warm. You can wear it during the daytime and you'll be cozy and warm and good to go. And if you want to wear it for the night time, you can wear a good thermal on the inside or just a little sweater and layer this one. This pretty much looks like a shirt from afar. I got this one in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. It's made up of cotton and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's perfect for the season at the price. Next up is another piece from the men's section, and I don't apologize for this. This one is made up of fleece cotton as well, and it is the most softest thing. It's very comfortable on the skin, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. I absolutely love wearing this one. I absolutely love the texture it has. Textured clothings have been going around recently and I didn't have any, so this one does the job. And I absolutely love zipper hoodies because they are so easy to wear and you can literally wear them with everything. And this one is quite long and oversized. I got this one in a size medium and it's quite big, but I love how it fits me. At the price, it's really good. Next up is a super cute polo sweatshirt. This is way thinner than the usual sweatshirts that we wear. It's not as thick, it's not made up of fleece. It's made up of 100% cotton and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft and smooth on the skin. It's more like a full sleeve oversized t-shirt, but it looks like a sweatshirt. I got this one in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. I love the color combo as well. I have been loving jersey polo t-shirts recently, and that is what this is, except it's in full sleeves, so I absolutely love this one as well. The embroidery on the letter original and the S also is really amazing. It looks great for the price. Last but not the least is a piece that is really very basic and can be styled for office, for college, etc. This is this very solid and plain beige sweater vest. And it is so very cute. I love the stitching it has, the rib detailing. It is amazing. And the color is so cute as well. Even though it's very basic, it's a piece that you can style in multiple ways. It's very soft and smooth. It's made up of wool. It's not itchy at all. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. At the price, it's really very good.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestion or request, comment that down below and I will try to make a video on that, because like I told you guys, I'm like taking a back seat from now on, so I'll try to make a video on that. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.